complex sentence to compound sentence. Rule number 1. Complex sentence with since as when. Example. As love is divine, everybody wants love. Love is divine and everybody wants love. When I reached there, my friends received me cordially. I reached there and my friends received me cordially. Structure. Remove when oblique as oblique since plus use only and is used between two clauses. Rule number 2. Complex sentence with though, although. Though she was a nice little girl, she was not an ordinary child. She was a nice little girl, but not an ordinary child. Example B. Though a healthy man is an asset of his family, an unhealthy man is available. A healthy man is an asset, but an unhealthy man is available. C. Although it may not make one rich, it brings peace of mind. Peace of mind. It may not make one rich, but it brings peace of mind. Structure. Remove though, although, plus first clause plus but plus second clause. মনে রাখতে হবে দো অলদো যুক্ত সেন্টেন্সের মাঝখানে বাট হবে। Rule number 3. Complex to compound. Complex sentence with relative pronoun. Manohar bought a pen which was costly. Manohar bought a pen and it was costly. Taslima bought a doll that was cheap. Taslima bought a doll and it was cheap. Structure. Put relative pronoun and between the two clauses. That means দুটা ক্লজের মাঝখানে and ব্যবহৃত হবে। নাম্বার 4. if যুক্ত কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স। কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স with if. এক্সাম্পল প্রথমবারের মতো if you do not work hard you will not shine in life. Work hard or you will not shine in life. B. If you work hard you will shine in life. Work hard and you will shine in life. Structure. Remove from if to not plus you, rest part or oblique and plus second clause. বিশেষ দ্রষ্টব্য অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে and এবং নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে or ব্যবহৃত হয়। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।